In this video, we're going to add our transcript to YouTube to make our captions, which is the final step in the process with YouTube, in addition to adding something to the description. Okay, so if you've uploaded the video and it's been there for a little while, you might already see a subtitle, a closed caption that was automated by YouTube. We're going to go ahead and unpublish that, and we're not going to use that one. We're going to add a new one, okay? So over here on temi.com, I have already created my transcript, okay? Now what I want to do is look this over. Now here's where this gets messy. So see here it says, well, everyone, David Lamer here with Keller Williams. That's perfectly fine. Las Vegas, real, obviously they couldn't hear him. Real estate, so we want to fix that. The Lori Ballen team is terrible. Lori Ballen team. Okay. And I just would kind of look this over a little bit and go, okay, are there any other crazy? All right, here's one, ballenvegas.com. I kind of know from doing this long enough where they're going to have problems, and it's usually the intro and at the end when they put call to actions. So here he says, you can call me. We'll just delete that. We won't even worry about the phone number. Or you can email me at, let's just say email me. We're not even going to worry about putting the ad in there, because I'll put that in the description. Email me. So you can go ahead and delete that. No big deal. And then, or contacts on the web at, and we want to make sure the domain is correct here, at ballenvegas.com. And I look forward to, we want to take out any uhs and ums. Okay. All right, that looks good. And you can scan up here. You can do a search for like, oh, there's one. And I'll just delete that. Okay. Get the idea there. So once we've cleaned everything up, we're going to copy this text like this. We're going to go back over to YouTube, go into closed captioning, and click transcribe and auto sync. Then paste your text here. And if you have your spell check on, I'm using Grammarly. Oh, yep. It'll let you know if you've got any other typos in there. So I've got industry in there twice. It's suggesting to change legwork, full-time. It's probably going to put a dash. I love these tools, don't you? Neighborhoods, the areas. Full-time. I'll probably change to here are. So here are. All right, once that's all cleaned up, then you're going to click set timings. All right, and as you can see here, it says English setting timings. Once that's completed, you just want to go back into the video, make sure that that all loaded correctly, and you'll now move on to optimizing that description.